Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a healthy snack. Yes, healthy. We are making strawberry frozen yogurt bars. Healthy. No cooking is involved, no baking's involved. It's just 3 ingredients: yogurt, strawberry, and honey. Maybe a 4th ingredient if you want to put some granola on there. So come along. First thing we want to do is just roughly chop up 4 strawberries. That's really all you need. Next, take your strawberries and put them in a food processor, and you want to chop them until they're very fine. So in a small bowl, or maybe even a medium bowl, that might be better, but this is what I have. We're going to add our strawberries that we've cut up. Take our 2 cups of yogurt. This is non-fat, plain Greek yogurt. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Any honey will do. And all we do is mix this until it's combined. Now, just to make things easier on me, I'm taking my yogurt and I'm putting it in a piping bag that I would normally use when I'm decorating a cake. And I want to see how this works. Now we're going to take an offset spatula, or a knife is fine, and we're just going to smooth these bars so that they spread out. Now for a little added texture, I thought I would add some granola. I make my own granola, and I actually have a video on that, so I will put a link to that video in the description below. But I just thought adding some granola would add some nice texture. And we just want to push the granola in a little bit so it sticks to the yogurt. The thing I love about these frozen strawberry yogurt bars is they're healthy. There's no added sugar except for honey, which is natural. And you have strawberries and you have Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt. How can you go wrong with that? Once you've finished assembling your yogurt bars, pop them in the freezer for an hour at least. Ideally, you would want to put them overnight in the freezer, but if you're short on time, at least an hour. See you in a bit. All right, so it's been about an hour and 10 minutes. Here they are. And let's see. Well, actually, I can just pop them right out like this. The texture from the granola really adds to it. These are really good, not too sweet. If you prefer something a little sweeter, I would suggest getting like strawberry, low-fat, already flavored yogurt. That could work too. I happen to prefer plain yogurt with honey, and that's exactly what this tastes like. Well, thanks for joining me today as we made these delicious strawberry frozen yogurt bars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.